Hey everyone, this is Mark, Skipper Mark. So Matt's about ready to do some work on his 86 Camaro. He's going to replace the camshaft, the valves, intake manifold, and a bunch of other stuff. So we're going to get some videos here of a before and after sound to, see how it compares. Thanks for watching, and let us know what you think. Thanks. The engine is just a stock 305. All right, so this is the last startup with the old setup. Sounds decent, nice throaty exhaust.
Hold on, what's it? Here we are taking the hood off.
I think it would fall forward like that.
You got it?
Yep. It's very heavy though.
Hey, Mom, you want to hold the front? I think we need Mom to hold it.
Okay, so hold on. Let me reposition. I'm gonna just grab it like this then.
Okay, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you gonna go over the car?
Yeah, sure.
You got it? Now I'm gonna let go.
Yep.
Don't hit the roof.
Antenna. Antenna.
We're moving the hood into the front porch for storage.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, just watch the roof because I don't know how the door because I don't know how tall it is. You okay setting it on this part?
Yeah, that's good.
There we are. There is the hood for storage till the engine is
That looks nice.
worked on.
Yeah. Matt's labeling everything so he can put it back in the right spot. So are you gonna make the engine chrome, keep it the same color, or do something different?
Nope, everything black. All black.
So what is that you're spraying on there?
Penetrating.
And what does that do? Helps the
Penetrates.
rust?
Yeah.
Like, makes them so they don't snap?
Yeah, it tries to help them not snap.
So do you have to replace the distributor or anything? Or can you use that one that's built in?
Well, I'm gonna put a different one in. Probably an MSD. Fancy one.
Yo, what are you doing? This is a man zone.
Bringing supplies.
I'm happy that you're getting rid of this manifold because this old one is pretty gross looking. Hey Nance, what's this big thing here with the big screw sticking out of it? What do you think that is?
Oh, that would be the carburetor.
Alright, well we're gonna go in and start cooking up the chicken. You'll report back later. Right?
Right.
Or come get us if you need us.
Right.
Alright, so because I'm old, I went to bed last night and Matt stayed out here. He worked about a total of 3 hours and got quite a bit done on the car. He basically got everything in the upper half of the motor disconnected that was dry. So he did not do the radiator or anything that had liquid in it, but that's the next step. Well, actually, I think the next step is, what is the next step? You're gonna
Take the cooling stuff out.
So you're gonna take the radiator and
Like anything with-
all that.
with coolant in it.
Yep.
Like the lines and stuff, and then start doing the flex plate and the belt housing bolts, the starter wires, and the bolts.
Okay. And you're gonna leave like the water pump on and all that until you
Yeah, the manifold and everything, do it outside. But
you're gonna get the engine out and then do all that. Oh, okay, cool. Alright, so now he's starting to drain the antifreeze from the system because the radiator has to come out. So he's got this really big bucket, and then we can take it to the transfer station and they'll, you know, recycle it and stuff. So we're gonna go in and let Matt finish up for tonight because again, we're old and it's my bedtime. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 8:10 p.m.
Yes, so it's definitely way past my bedtime. So I need to go, and Matt's gonna continue doing what he's doing. I'm not sure exactly what he's gonna try to get done tonight, but I think he wants to get all the fluids done and maybe get the transmission unbolted from the engine. So we'll catch you tomorrow.
Don't forget, put your wheel chocks under your tires. Safety first.
All right, Matt, we're going in.
Adios.
We'll see ya.
Bye.
So, we are about to discover what's in this box. SummitRacing.com. It was delivered to our doorstep today. What do we have there? With care. Ooh, whoa. That looks like a brake rotor, right?
No, push rod.
It's a push rod? Ah, cool. Yes, so this camshaft came today. It's a Summit Racing camshaft. I honestly don't know anything about it, except that it's the biggest we can put in the car without having to change out the torque converter. Valve?
No, it's like the specs and everything.
Oh, the specs on the cam specs? Oh, cool. Cool. I don't know what it all means right now, but because I can't really read it.
Show you later.
Yeah, we can check that out later. We'll post the specs online so you can check it out. Maybe a link if one's available, so if you want to pick one up. Alright, so we got some bubbles. Those make nice pillows when you're working under the car. You can lay your head on them. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, a timing chain. Ooh, let's see it. Ooh, nice.
Spark plugs.
Ooh, spark plugs. Okay.
Spark plug wires.
Oh, nice. New wires. Yeah, you need those because yours are old. And
Gasket for the timing cover.
okay, cool. Ooh, what do you got in there? Oh, those look like... Oh, those are springs. You put those in your shoes so you can bounce higher. What?
Slinkies.
They're slinkies. All right, and is that everything in there?
Got the like locks, valve seals, the little retainers.
Oh, cool. Do you have a valve compressor or a spring compressor, whatever the part's called?
I got rent one from, or borrow one from AutoZone.
Oh, I know what those are. That's like the rook in chess, right?
Don't know.
You don't know chess?
Mm-mm.
Oh, yeah, it looks like that. It's like a little castle. So those are the lifters, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when it says flat tappet, is that because it's flat on top?
It's, yeah, the bottom of it's flat. There's no roller.
Oh, okay. Now what's funny is when I was young, you know, a couple years ago, rollers were like not too popular. They were, I don't know if they were new at the time. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's just got two big holes. Do you have to use that plate that you use in it now, in the carburetor?
No, that was a little adapter to adapt the carburetor to, because the carburetor looks like it's a perfect square like that.
Right. You don't have to do that for this one, right?
No, you don't need the little adapter plate on
I
this.
didn't think so. All right, well, that's a wrap for today. It's pouring rain. I'm not going outside to go to the garage. So if you do any work out there, have fun. All right, so the next step is to actually remove the engine from the car. I don't know what that means other than removing the engine from the car.
Oh, it's cool from that end.
How you doing?
Stop. Now we're gonna look again. Oh. I think we're good. You know the pump?
That's the thing over there.
Oh, let's get those small.
When you take out a motor, you want to stop every so often, make sure nothing's attached.
Hang on.
It's a big blue thing.
Down there?
Yeah.
Torque converter. Okay, stop.
Hold on. It's hitting the car here. It's just gotta move a little bump.
Oh, that's the starter. Okay, pull. Or pump, I mean. Oh, too far. That was way easier than I thought. Okay, good.
Alright, you're clear to swing.
You just like that, it's like nightmare.
Chemicals?
Oil and grease.
I'm not gonna catch it if it falls.
You got that light bulb? You're gonna hit that.
Oh, goodness. Don't drop it.
I'm not dropping it, I'm moving that.
Oh, okay.
Very good at swinging.
Yeah, it's really close to the car because these things.
Yeah, but as long as it doesn't hit.
It's going to, so
So
stop.
tell me it's. Well, you weren't telling me. Am I good?
You're good.
I have to hold it to keep it from hitting.
That's okay.
How is that okay? You can't leave it like that.
All right, we're gonna pop a valve cover and see what's underneath.
And those washers fell in, by the way.
And where do these black things end up? Where they end up going?
Yeah, so not sure what's happening over here. He's in jail.
We gotta go up because that's the game with back, it's leaning forward.
The crucial pin.
Does that pin just sit in there?
Yes.
Yeah, it keeps the engine from falling.
Can you just go like this and it comes out?
Yeah. All it does is keep it from rotating.
No, that's...
Go!
What is this, fuel line? Yep, that'll start it out.
Do it.
You're not doing it?
Pull it up.
I can't. Oh, you can't tell because it's gooby.
It is. Well, no, it's not gonna. Let me see. That looks like
Feels
it.
like metal.
It looks like metal, and that's a lot of metal.
All right, so a new day is upon us, and we are going to peek in on Matt and see what he has done on his car. What's that silvery thing sticking out the bottom there?
That?
Yeah.
That's where like the harmonic balancer goes and the crank pulley.
Oh, okay. Did you pull those off already? Is that what
Yeah,
you...
they're over there.
Oh, okay. Now that cylinder over there on the left has like bumps all over it?
Chunks? That's
Yeah.
from the head gasket because I'm cleaning it.
Oh, okay.
Just gotta blow that out with there.
Thanks everyone for watching. So the video ended up being kind of long after we made it, so I decided to split it into 2 parts. We'll call this part the removal of the engine from the car, and then the second part will be installing the engine in the car and rebuilding it. I'll link to that video in the description below, as well as up above. So thanks for watching.